In the first time in its history, Liberty had an iconic fabric sample sale. This has never happened as far as I know, so it was super exciting. And if you're not familiar with Liberty, come and have a look with me. So the sale was up on the 4th floor, and it's in that iconic Tudor style building that's near Oxford Circus Station. They had lots of pre-cut fabrics in 1 metre, 2 metre and 3 metre lengths, and loads of cottons, silks and crepe de chine. The fabric prices range from £7.95 for a cotton and £19.95 for a silk or crepe de chine per metre. There was so much choice and I was so excited, so stick with me and I'll show you what else I saw. So this is the footage from day 5 of the Liberty sale. So here you go, you can see this is a lovely crepe de chine. This gorgeous fabric here, which has got some ships on it. You can see some of the dots there. Lots of beautiful cottons. There's a fabric there with the fish and the dogs, and then this has got the little geckos on it. That was available in 2 different colours. That's in a cotton, so that's at £7.95 for a metre. And then here you've got a mixture of some crepe de chine, some of those very iconic Liberty style prints. I love that one particularly. And then if I head over here, you can see some more rolls of fabric on the right, and then here are the boxes of the pre-cut fabric. So they're already laid out in 1 metres, 2 metre and 3 metre. Here's a beautiful print here with some ships on it. That was a 3 metre pack. And then this gorgeous floral fabric with cacti. So it's all there ready for you, laid out, so you can just easily pick them up. This very bright colours here on the crepe de chine, and then a gorgeous silk here, which I've never seen before. It's vibrant, tones of blues, very abstract with some pinks and reds mixed in there. So that's just shy of £20 a metre, which is a massive bargain given that the fabric is generally £65 a metre. So this is amazing. I love this one as well. And then they had that in quite a few different colours. The obligatory ditzy prints that we're all so familiar with. Beautiful mustard colour there. Some pinks and florals. There was quite a few sort of blue tones, so if you're interested in the blues, here's some kids fabrics here with the cars, and that's got the spaceships on. And then there's some more cottons. There's the price list again, so you can see that there. Really beautiful stuff. And this is day 5, and I overheard one of the ladies in the shop saying that they're going to be getting some more stock tomorrow and Friday, and the sample sale is actually going to extend. So it was due to finish on the 22nd of January, but because they've got so much stock to get through, it's going to extend further. So head on down if you can. There's so much to choose from. I've been 3 times and I've spent quite a lot, and I'll show you a little overview of the things that I bought if you stick with me. It's hard to shop, but if you get there early, then it's not as busy. The rolls of fabric are in some sort of cages, so you might need some help lifting them up. The lighting isn't very good, so it's quite hard to actually see if you want to sort of visualize what the fabric might look like. And you know, the rolls of fabric do have a tendency to fall over, so it's best to get there when it's not too busy, which is probably early in the morning on a weekday. At the weekend, I've heard of people queuing for up to 45 minutes. But it's definitely worth it. There are some serious bargains to be had here, and new stock coming over the next few days as well. So the sale's up on the 4th floor, so not the usual haberdashery floor, so head up straight to the 4th floor. So I promised I would do a little reveal of what I got in the Liberty sample sale. If you want anything, head on down. So first up is this gorgeous silk. It's called Forbidden Orchard, and they had it in 2 colorways. So they had it in the bluey sort of green colorway as well, but I thought this one looked really nice for a dress. And then I was thinking of doing a bit of mix and match. It doesn't perfectly go, but I don't know, something about this just really drew me to it. I don't know what this one's called. Let's see if I can find a name on it. They didn't have this one in any other colours, I don't think. This is called Hawkins Bryce, and I thought if I could do a dress maybe with some like sleeve panels which are out of this floral fabric, and then I've already got something quite similar to this, haven't we all? But I thought actually again I could do a mix and match, or maybe just make something out of that on its own. And then I caught this one, which I love because I'm a really big fan of mustard colours. So I got 4 meters of that, and I sort of looked at it and I was like, oh my god, pajamas or even a dress. It's so beautiful. And then this is quite rogue. This is this giant flower fabric, which sort of reminded me of very Marimekko sort of style. I don't know what I'm going to make out of this. It sort of says Moo Moo all over it, but if you've got any inspiration, if you've seen anything that anybody's made, send it over. And then that all came to a lovely total of £157. So yeah, how many meters did I get there? 8, 9, 14 meters of Liberty fabric. So yeah, get on down, guys. And because the bargains were so hard to resist, I made a 3rd trip, and here's an overview of the final bits that I bought. I'm going to try not to go back, but it's ever so tempting. And as per usual, I have absolutely no plans on what I'm going to make with this. But guys, this is a once in a lifetime sale I've ever seen. So yeah, fill your boots. Enjoy!